Do you use scent boosters in your laundry? When I have extra money, I do, and right now I have a little extra money. So I purchased the Gain Fireworks Original Scent. It's pretty pricey. It's $11.97 at Walmart. But if it smells this good, it makes my clothes smell this good, then maybe it'll be worth it. Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me share with you my experience about the Gain Original Scent Laundry Scent Boosters. Check out some of the features of this. It says it provides up to 12 weeks of freshness, and I'm just going to tell you, I find that hard to believe. It's an in-wash scent booster. This is the original scent. You can see a little bit of what they look like through here. You just shake a little or a lot into the cap. You pour it into the washer at the beginning of the wash cycle and enjoy the lasting scent. It reminds us not to put this in the liquid dispenser or in the dryer. It's supposed to be safe for all colors, fabrics, and loads. It's great for activewear and towels. Do not swallow, blah, blah, blah. And it shows you a picture that you're just supposed to drop it into the washing machine. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Here's what they look like. Just be sure and keep these out of the reach of children. They might possibly look like something that would be to eat, like candy, so just don't let kids around these. Smells great. I look forward to using these. I'm making a very small load of lights, so I'm just going to put a little bit in. Smells so good. I'm adding an OxiClean laundry pack. I have a review up about the OxiClean laundry packs. I really do like those. See how it works with the Gain. The water is kind of warm, not hot. And they thought our wash would be cool, good water. But the Gain is already dissolving a little bit. And I'm getting the first load out, and I'm not seeing any undissolved pieces of Gain on my clothes, which is good. I'm doing a larger load of darks. I'm adding 2 of the OxiClean packs and add more of the Gain. Still washing on warm water. And the water is warm enough to start dissolving the OxiClean packs. It looks like all the Gains hanging out together. The lights, I noticed a nice fresh scent, but not an overpowering scent. So I'm hoping by adding a little bit more, to get more of that Gain freshness scent. I am using a Gain fabric softener sheet in the dryer. Very full load. No sign of undissolved pellets on the clothes from the dryer. No sign of undissolved pellets from the darks that I got out of the washing machine. And again, I'm going to use Gain dryer softening sheet. And I'm not really noticing a strong smell, perhaps because I'm already used to the Gain original scent. But I noticed that when I close the door to the laundry room, the hallway smelled better. It smelled really good and fresh. So far, so good. I'm washing a lot of towels now, so I'm using hot water, and I'm going to put a little bit in here, not a lot, because towels normally don't smell too bad. I'm just going to see if it'll pick up any of the smell on it. I do not put fabric softener sheet in my towels because it keeps them from soaking up water, because it makes them softer. Because with any Gain scent on the towels, it will be from the laundry additive. It smells great in the laundry room and all the way out into the hallway, which is a great bonus for me. I didn't notice any residue on my darks from the Gains. My laundry smells good. I noticed last night when I was in bed that the pajamas I had washed that day smelled really, really good. So my final take on the Gain Original Laundry Additive Scent Booster. It works really well. It leaves a nice clean scent. If you like the original scent of Gain, you're probably going to enjoy this. I'm pretty familiar with this scent, so maybe that's why it didn't jump out at me. Some other laundry scent boosters have a more unique smell, so if you're seeking that, then you might want to choose a different odor or different aroma. If you want more of the Gain smell, then put in more than what I showed you in my experiment. But nothing bad to say. It's a little pricey is the only thing, so I only use this when I have a little bit of extra money, which I happen to have. And I just will probably use this every now and then, not every single wash load. My clothes don't get that stinky, I don't think. Thanks for watching my video about the Gain Scent Boosters Original Scent. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. Let me know what scent boosters you like or which ones you don't like, which ones I should review if I can find them. And if you have time, watch another video before you go and consider giving this video a thumbs up. It's free. Consider subscribing to my channel. It's free. Consider subscribing to a playlist if you're not interested in every single thing that I review, because you probably aren't. And until next time, be clean and smell clean. It's a good thing. Bye.